Hello and welcome to Crafty Learn Spanish. Yes, today we're going to look at the sounds of Spanish. This is going to be a multi-part video series, and they're going to be short, so you can go back and relearn and listen, because these are the ones you need to listen to. So today we're going to talk about the vowels through camera trickery. We'll get rid of this. Oh, I'm so cheap. Oh my god. So I first want to make a little thing about the program I'm using here. It's Microsoft OneNote. It's a really good program to help you keep organized. So this is my notebook, and this is about the sounds of Spanish. This is like a chapter, and we've got pages. So these are the other things we're going to look at. But first we're going to look at vowels and the Spanish vowels and the sounds of Spanish and why it's important. It's important because of the sounds, learning the sounds first and well will cut the time you need to learn by a lot, especially with Spanish, because Spanish you read and speak it like it's written, okay? So it sounds like it's written. And so if you can read, which we will do in the 5th video, practice, eventually we will be reading this in Spanish just to scare you. So we're going to look at the vowels. I suggest you practice the vowels first, get them down real good. Alright, like in English they've got 5 vowels, but they just sound a bit different. Alright, so we're going to look at the first few, and before we look at them, I just want to mention we're going to go on to this. We do this, then we do the consonants, then we'll talk about pronunciation and stress, then these old diphthongs as they call them, or 2 vowels together basically. So hopefully we're going to go in a little bit of an order from the easiest to diphthongs, which are the most difficult I think, and then practice them. Okay, so first of all, the vowels, right? So here we have them. Simple vowels there, nothing too difficult. Except in English, A, E, I, O, U, no. Right? But what I've done down here is a little mnemonic. Remember the mnemonics? Well, you won't have because you haven't watched it. So watch the video on mnemonics. Okay? That's the important thing. So I'm just going to say them. And if you'll notice that here, they're going to sound like these things. So, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Alright, so the mnemonic, so it's going to be sound like A as in an, E as in ape, I as in eel, O, organize, and U as in food. Food. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So the best thing there, an ape and eel organize food. So what you have to do is put that picture in your mind of a big ape and a slimy eel sitting in your local supermarket organizing food. Alright. This is the best way to do it. An ape and eel organize food. So we'll go through them one more time, and as I say, this is going to be a short video, so you have to go and practice these. A, E, I, O, U. An ape and eel organize food. Organize food. An ape and eel organize food. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Hopefully that sounds thing. That's okay. So I'm going to do it one last time. A, E, I, O, U. An ape and eel organize food. So there you go. That's the vowels. So I suggest you practice them. Practice them until you know them well, because you're going to be saying a lot of vowels in Spanish. Trust me, the sound of Spanish is the sound of the vowel, I think. And once you get them down good, you'll be sounding very Spanish in no time. Okay, So we'll see you in the next video about consonants. Hope you can know your vowels by then. Take care and have a good one.